Hello guys, welcome to the Trader Nixon channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, make sure you like this video. In this video, I have Sammy. It's either Sammy FX or Trader Sammy with me here, and it's a conversation. It's a conversation, all right? It's a conversation. It's a conversation, all right? So we are going to talk about prop firms or proprietary firms. There are a lot of newbies out there who doesn't know much about prop firms. We've not scripted anything, all right? We are just gonna flow. We're just gonna talk, all right? Myself, I don't know the questions I'm gonna ask him, but trust me, you know me, all right? We are gonna pull out some things, some nuggets for you to understand. So, Sammy, proprietary firms. What's your take on proprietary firms?
I think it's really good.
Right.
They are really good because they are less expensive, and then it saves you money too.
Okay.
Because nowadays, if you have to use your own capital to fund your trading career, it's nearly impossible. Because if you want to even fund your career with $100, finding $100 is not that easy.
Even in this region, in our region,
of course,
Africa,
finding $100 is not easy. So like if you have $49, which is like 500 cedis something, you can get a $5,000 funded account, which is really good. Because
Alright, 100. So, in your language, it's a big opportunity for traders. I wouldn't even say newbie or advanced, no, traders, alright? For traders, because over there, they don't need newbie traders there. We want advanced and pro traders who know what they are doing, alright? That's what prop firms are about. They want to fund you, alright? And look at the opportunity that Sammy is talking about. It's an opportunity that they are doing us, alright? They are giving us the opportunity. So, a lot of people think prop firms are scam. What do you think about that?
it's really funny. It's really funny because someone is helping you, funding your career, and you think it's scam. It's just really funny.
It's funny.
Yeah.
So, what are you going to tell the people who think prop firms are scam? What are you going to tell them? Because maybe they purchased a prop firm, they lost their account multiple times, they never got anywhere with the account, so they feel like it's a scam. So
because you didn't manage your risk well.
right.
You traded anyhow. You didn't wait for the opportunity. You chase after the market, and that's what happened. You overtraded. So
Okay.
that's what will happen if you do that. You just take your time, manage your risk, and know how much you are risking per trade.
Alright.
Know your risk to reward ratio.
Okay.
So you take the trade. You know that I'm losing $50 on this trade.
Okay.
So if I place the trade and lose $50, it's cool.
Okay.
Because you know you've already lost it.
Okay.
And if you don't want to lose anything too, when it's running in profits, you break even. Maybe
100.
to your entry point.
Entry point, alright.
Then you know you are not losing anything.
Okay. Okay. So Sammy is just lecturing us on our bad trading behaviors, all right, which is leading us to lose a lot of prop firm accounts that we think that proprietary firms are scam. Now, there might be a proprietary firm somewhere that is a scam. We don't know about that. But what we know, or what Sammy is telling you guys right now, is that they are giving us an opportunity, and prop firms are not scam. Thank you very much. Sam, so let's go into this. Now, when you take a proprietary firm, we have challenges, all right? We have evaluation. All right. Before we even go into those stuff, now I want you to name your top 3, or maybe if just name the best. When I give it a number, you might not know a lot of prop firms. So I just list 2 top prop firms that you know, that you think they are good.
I'll say Consummate and then FTM.
Consummate.
Yeah,
and
for Consummate is not expensive at all.
Okay.
But like if you are in like the Western world and you want to purchase a funded account, I would say you should FTM, because FTMO. Okay, for me, I use FTMO for like the trial ones.
Okay.
I use FTMO. So like if I pass this account, I know I've passed. If I failed it, I know. So like I know the number of accounts I've passed and the number of accounts I've failed. Yeah. So I'll keep record.
So you are kind of journaling your
everything I'm doing.
Your strategy. You're seeing the strength of your strategy and know what Sammy is saying is very paramount and important, because sometimes you need to be on the trial version, all right? So that, like, it's mind busting, because you know that, okay, this the accuracy of my strategy. And then if I go to purchase a prop firm account, I know that on average, I'll be able to pass this amount of challenge, this number of challenge. So even if I fail this challenge, there is guarantee that my strategy will make me pass another challenge or 2 challenges among 5 challenges, right? So it makes sense. So sometimes you can go onto those platforms and then tell them they should go on the platform, use the free trial or something.
Use the free trial. If you use the free trial, you know your daily drawdowns and like how your performance too. If you're performing good, they will tell you. If not, they will tell you. So like you know what you're actually doing. If not, you just at first I used to jump from profile to profile. I pick this, I trade. If I build the account, I'll just delete it from my my MetaTrader. But like nowadays, I just use the FTM so that I know the account I have passed and the account I have failed. So I know my strengths. I know where my strategy is taking me to.
Okay, so in this case, so which one are you picking about which? Demo trading and free trials of not FTMO, of prop firms?
I'll say free trials.
All right, why are you saying that?
Because the free trial,
okay.
They'll give you drawdowns, like the drawdown.
There are rules to it.
The rules to it.
It will guide you.
It will guide you to trade. You will not just be trading anyhow. Because when you take a demo account, they'll give maybe $10,000, and then you use huge lots, 10 lots, 20 lots, and which is not advisable for a beginner or an advanced trader if you are not financially inclined.
Okay.
So if you have a prop firm, it enables you to know you should know the lot size you use and manage your risks very, very well.
Okay. So you mean that being on prop firms, whether the trial or the challenge itself, will guide you as a trader,
of course,
to keep you with risk management and keep you with psychology. All right, how you manage your psychology. Very important. I'm here with Sammy. This is the Trader Nixon channel, and this another whole movement that we are doing, having people coming on the channel. We have a chat, we have a clear chat, you understand? Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, make sure you like this video. We are not done yet. We are about to dive deeper. Now, Sam, a lot of people are watching us. Some of them think that prop firms are very expensive, even though you said earlier that some are not, they are not expensive. What do you have to tell those people?
It depends on you. Okay, I see $49 to buy a
5K account.
I see it to be very good because I don't think it's that expensive.
Okay.
But it depends on where you are coming from.
All right.
If like you don't have like that much, if you don't see that money you think it's huge money, but it's not that much. So I'll advise you, if you can get like a side hustle to do fetch you like some money. But like before you say you are going to buy the account, make sure you pass like some number of free trials before you say you are buying the account.
The live account.
Of course.
All right. So so there are a lot of people, like you are saying, coming from the region, African region, where $49 or $50, trust me, is a lot of money.
Of
all right. It's someone's 2 months salary or a month's salary. You understand? So what do you suggest? There are some traders, they don't have this amount of money. What do you suggest they do to accumulate some amount so they can be able to purchase a prop firm worth $49 or $50?
Sometimes you don't need to purchase the prop firm. Most at times they have contests.
Okay.
If you are really good and you believe in yourself, you can join the contest. I joined OctaFX, there are contests, but it was really tough.
Right.
It was really
a whole lot
tough.
of big traders are pulling out.
Yeah, from Pakistan and all those people.
Yeah, those people, they use EAs to trade.
Yeah, to trade. Okay.
They use computerized system to trade. So trust me.
So it was $1,000 for that account. So that day I made an extra $1,000 that day. But like when I went to the leaderboard, I saw people were making $10,000, $20,000.
The competition is
tough. So like I just dropped out. But if you believe in yourself that you can actually do it, you can do it, and they gave $10,000 out.
Okay, as like the prize.
Of course, and consumer traders are also doing the same thing right now.
Okay.
$10,000 for another account too.
I saw that on Consummate. Trust me, it's nice. So the funded trader also does that,
Yeah.
and I shot a video. If you go to my videos on this channel, or let's go to playlist, you see blog. In that particular playlist, go to the first 2 videos that I uploaded on this channel. You see me talking about the funded trader challenge, and it's a challenge, like a contest, like he's saying right now, that you guys compete. The one who wins, they give them free prop-firm challenges to trade, pass the phase 1, phase 2, and then come up to the live account stage. Or they give them, sometimes in December they give cash prizes. They give cash prize $6,000, some go 4,000 or something.
Okay, and some of the big traders in Ghana too, they also give out funded accounts. Kira Forex gives out, Kojo gives, Aram gives, like a lot of them they give out prof-firms. So if you're active, you get.
All right, so you might be following all these mentors in the industry. Just monitor their pages. When they drop that they are going to release prof-firms, just capitalize on it. All right. So now this brings us to another segment of this particular chapter of the video. What do you think about the rules of these prof-firms? Is it really tough, or like on average, most prof-firms will say make 10% on the phase 1 and 5% on the phase 2 of evaluation challenge? Do you think it's tough?
It's not tough. Of course, with the money they are funding you with, you are supposed to be able to meet their expectations.
Okay.
Yeah. So like, if they ask you to make 10% of $5,000 for an account, 10% is $500.
Okay.
500. If you have a very good setup, and you believe in your setup, and you use like 1 lot size, come on, you can make like the $500. So even 2 lots, you can make the $500.
Okay.
From it, yeah.
Alright, and guys, trust me, sometimes I don't want to release nuggets, alright? I want you guys to alright, so risk management is key, okay? They say make 8% on phase 1. And this is how I think about it. Why not? They are giving Consummate, for instance, giving 2 months to make 8% on phase 1. Alright, so why don't you make 4% in the first month and make 4% in the second month? Why rush? Why rush?
There's no rush. People are always over trading. They just take trades unnecessarily. Yeah, they just enter the market. If they see this one is buying, they'll buy. And then the funny thing is, when you click on the buy button, all of a sudden the market will reverse.
It's crazy. It's crazy. All right. And then, like I was saying with risk management, trust me, maybe you are taking a trade that is, you are risking 1% of your account, and the risk reward on the trade is giving you 1:3 or 1:4. We swing traders in the industry, 1:4, 1:3. Trust me, if that trade is a winner trade, you have made 4% on the 8%. Makes sense, all right? So risk management is also key. These are the keys you guys don't know. And we'll give you all these keys on this channel. And Sammy, to be frank with you, there are a lot of people who contact me for mentorship and all that. I don't do mentorship now. I don't mind people when they ask me for mentorship. But I think right now, I should really be teaching people, because people are struggling. Of course. All right? People are struggling. So whatever you think you need, I'm open for a conversation, blah, 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 blah. You can come on this podcast if you want. Just WhatsApp me, go to the about section of this channel, WhatsApp me, or go to the description box, WhatsApp me, or email me. I'll respond to you. Now, Sammy, we have 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, 400K, 200K challenges on most of the proprietary firms that we have in the industry. What do you think about someone who is fresh and want to get a prof-firm account? Do you think they should rush and go take 400K, or how do you think about that?
Come on, taking 400K is suicide. It's suicide because it's expensive. It's more than $1,000. It's really expensive. I would advise you to take them 5K accounts, because it's $49. If you purchase that one, you make your 10% on the evaluation, you pass it. If you are making like 20% profit like every month, it's cool. 20% profit of $500 is
even
like,
10% is
10%,
good.
yeah, it's good because here 10% every month you are a newbie. 10% is really really good. So if
Or 5K, we are talking about
of course,
5K.
5K, 10% of
10% of 5K,
$500.
$500.
Come on, it's good.
Convert $500 to your local currency. You listen
Of
to
course.
us right now and tell us.
Of course.
Sometimes, do you know the problem of some traders? They see the amount of dollars, but they don't really see the value of that dollar amount in their currency.
Of course. Of course. Of course. So like if you are advanced and you're trading like $100,000 account and you're making 10% profit every month, come on. It's $10,000 every month. It's really, really huge. How many people in this country are making $10,000 a month? Of course.
You're saying this right now. So, all right, you have mentioned some prop firms. Tell us your best prop firm that you want to enroll with.
I'll say Consummate.
Consummate.
Of course.
Guys, Consummate, yeah. Consummate. We come from Africa. We're Africans. We are freaking proud, bro.
Of course.
So, a company from Africa doing well, we're going in for them. All right? We're supporting, we're pushing hard. So, Consummate. Do you have a challenge going on right now? No. All right. So, what amount of challenge do you want to purchase?
I'll start with 5K.
5K. All right, 5K. So, in how many weeks' time or days' time do you think you can purchase the 5K?
I'll probably next month. I'll
Next
purchase
month.
next month. Yeah.
Next month. All right. All right. So maybe you and I might do a challenge. Not really a challenge, but get some funded accounts, like fresh funded accounts, and then see how we take them. All right. So, come on, this guy is not here. This guy, where he's coming from, trust me, he's a G. He's a genius, all right? So, I want to take everything that I can take from him right now before he goes to where he's coming from, all right? So, Sammy, thank you very much for coming through. And we are talking about prop firms. Make sure you're going for a prop firm, all right? Don't pick your whole investment or your whole savings, like $500 worth and deposit into a trading account and spoil it.
Well, one of my friends from high school recently, when like he's working, I think it was some hotel. So when they paid him 800 cedis, I advised him, you buy a funded account. Say, oh, nah, all the big traders, they didn't buy the funded. They use their own money and so okay. He deposited $80 in the account.
Okay.
I think Wednesday evening. That same
$80.
80. That same evening, he wasted 60. Just over trading.
Like more than 80% of the account is gone.
That same evening, then the morning he called me to come help him. I was like, yo, you blow the account, so this one there's nothing I can do about it. It's gone.
Let me ask you this on camera, and trust me, I'll not edit it out. It's just gonna be there. What do you think about me? Should I teach people?
Of course you should.
Trust me, this guy right here, he never see me chat.
Of course, this
is the first time he's hearing that. Your brother never told you that I'm into finance or something. We are just doing this right now, all right, right now. And that's why I never even scripted anything. I just went to take these tools and then we started doing this. Do you think I should teach people?
Of course you should.
Do you think I can teach you?
Of course you can. But you're sharing knowledge.
Alright, bro. I don't know how to come by this, but I think I should make time and teach people, alright? But I'm not gonna rush it, you understand? It's gonna come organically, alright? So Sam, thank you for coming through. I'll make some chat, like chatting analysis, his favorite pairs, and then we'll bring that one to you in another video. This is the Trader Nixon channel and the Trader Nixon podcast with Sammy. Charlie, thank you for passing through.